Hey, CFOs, are you ready to dive into the nitty-gritty of disclosing finder fees in your financial statements? Let's get straight to it. Finder fees are payments made to investors or brokerage firms for bringing new capital into your company. They're incentives, but they come with their own set of responsibilities. Understanding how to report these fees is crucial for maintaining compliance and transparency. First, what are finder fees? Simply put, they're payments, either in cash or equity, made to reward those who secure investments for your company. Cash payments are straightforward, just a percentage of the raised capital. But equity-based fees, like warrants or options, can have long-term implications, especially for shareholder equity. Why does disclosing these fees matter? Transparency is key. Failure to disclose finder fees properly can lead to compliance risks and backlash from regulators and investors. Your job is to ensure these transactions are accurately reported in your financial statements and MD&A. Let's break down the types of finder fees. Cash payments should be disclosed under key management compensation or related party transactions. For equity-based fees, you need to detail issuance, exercise, and fair value at the time of grant. This includes non-cash working capital notes and supplemental cash flow information. Smaller public companies, this part's for you. Finder fees can complicate things, especially with key management or major shareholders. Make sure these transactions are transparently documented in your financial statement notes. So how can you manage finder fee compliance effectively? Start by establishing clear protocols with your legal and compliance teams. Foster transparent communication with auditors, board members, and investors. Use professional accounting systems to track transactions and automate disclosures. And don't forget regular training and updates to stay on top of evolving regulations. Remember, properly managing and disclosing finder fees builds credibility with regulators and investors. It demonstrates financial integrity and shields your company from compliance risks. By adhering to disclosure requirements, you boost investor confidence and set the stage for long-term growth. CFOs managing complex finder fee scenarios can benefit significantly from expert advisory services. Reach out today to learn more. Engaging external expertise can help streamline reporting processes, optimize disclosure protocols, and mitigate potential risks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.